Hi, my name is Sabrina Wellendorf, and thank you for watching my video. You may watch it on YouTube or my website. So I just wanted to add a little bit more, some details about the vibrational raindrop technique. The vibrational raindrop is the next technique after regular raindrop, and that is where I use tuning forks. These are precise instruments. A lot of them have gem tips attached to the tips. So not only am I using the song, bringing in the vibration and the frequency into your auric field as you're lying there receiving the technique, I'm also adding in sentient beings of the rock kingdom. So they come in and help with their properties from the gems that they are. And this, again, it takes the healing to another profound level of release, detox, and balance. I can also combine the vibrational raindrop with colored light therapy, which is called chromatic raindrop technique. And I use flashlights and with different filters on them to bring in healing using the colors. Along with that, I also have another technique that I can add on, which is auricular technique. And this is, I have tuning forks that have points that I can work with the person's ear. The ears and the feet are like mini maps of our actual spinal cord. So when I work, if I can't get to the spinal cord, I can work with the feet or the ears or the hands to enhance the healing, giving you detox and rebalancing your endocrine and your glandular systems in the body. So just below this video, you might find a contact information. Feel free to contact me with any other questions you might have. And I hope to see you at an appointment or hope to hear from you soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope that I am in touch with you soon. Thank you.